In this video, we're going to make a simple crocheted coaster with a pretty scalloped edging. This is a great beginner-friendly project because it works up quickly and gives you practice crocheting in the round, increasing stitches, and creating a decorative edging. We'll be using cotton yarn, which is a great choice for coasters because it's absorbent, durable, and it holds its shape well. If you need a refresher on making a magic ring, a slip stitch, or double crochet stitches, I've placed links to those tutorials in the description. Before we get started, if you enjoy simple, step-by-step crochet tutorials designed for left-handed crocheters, consider subscribing. It's completely free. And tap the bell so you don't miss future videos. If you're ready to learn, grab a hook and some yarn, and let's get started. For this project, you'll need cotton yarn, a crochet hook appropriate for your yarn, I'm using a 5mm hook, scissors, and a yarn needle. My tutorials are in US crochet terms. We'll begin with the magic ring and chain 1. Into the ring, place 12 double crochet stitches. So yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Continue until you have 12 double crochet stitches in the ring. Once you've completed all 12 stitches, gently pull the tail in to close the center, and then slip stitch to the first double crochet stitch to join the round. Chain 2. This chain does not count as a stitch. For our second round, we're going to increase into every stitch around. So place 2 double crochet stitches into the first stitch, and then place 2 double crochet stitches into the next stitch, and continue placing 2 double crochet stitches into every stitch around. When you reach the end of the round, you should have 24 double crochet stitches. Slip stitch to the first double crochet stitch to join, and then chain 2. For this round, we'll increase more gradually. Place 1 double crochet in the first stitch, place 2 double crochet stitches in the next stitch. We'll repeat that pattern all the way around. 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch, 2 double crochet stitches in the following stitch. Continue around the coaster. When you reach the end, you should have 36 stitches. Slip stitch to the first double crochet stitch to join. Now let's add the scalloped border. Chain 1, skip your first stitch, and in the next stitch, place 5 double crochet stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip the next stitch, and then slip stitch into the following stitch. That creates our first scallop. Skip 1 stitch, and then place 5 double crochet stitches into the next stitch. skip a stitch, and then slip stitch into the following stitch. Continue this pattern all the way around, skipping one stitch, 5 double crochet, skip a stitch, slip stitch into the next. And as you work, you'll see the pretty scalloped edge begin to form. Continue until you return to the beginning of the round. Slip stitch into the first slip stitch to finish. Cut your yarn, leaving a tail. Pull the yarn through the loop on your hook and tighten to fasten off, and then weave in the ends. If you need a refresher on fastening off and weaving in ends, I've linked that tutorial in the description. And your coaster is finished. This project is a great way to practice crocheting in the round, increasing stitches, and adding a decorative edging. The coasters are quick to make, use very little yarn, and make wonderful gifts, housewarming presents, or even additions to your own home. If you found this tutorial helpful, a thumbs up helps other left-handed crocheters find it. And if you have any questions, please pop them into the comments. Thanks for watching.